Hey guys, HISHE and welcome back to another video. So in today's video guys, we'll be reacting to how Birds of Prey should have ended. Hey guys, HISHE and welcome back to another video. So before I start this video, I just want to tell you guys that I would appreciate a lot if you subscribe to my channel, left a like on this video, or click the notification bell down below if you guys want to get notified about my newest videos. So this is posted by a YouTube channel called How It Should Have Ended. He has made a lot of other cool cartoon How It Should Have Ended of other great movies and other fun videos. So I thought I would check this new video of him out. So let's just check this out.
They say if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Or you can just change the ending with a nitpicky video about it later on YouTube.
That's a long ass title. Oh my gosh, this title is so long.
We lost the diamond.
What?
I'm really sorry, Mr. S. This kid...
We never even got our hands on it.
That's not true.
What?
Shut up. Yes, it is. Don't listen to her, boss. She's lying.
No, I'm not. I had the diamond, but this fool took it from me because he didn't trust me carrying it. Then he got himself pickpocketed by a little kid.
No, I didn't. Shut up. I hate you so much.
Victor, why would you do that? Why would you lie to me? I'm going to have to ask you to cut your own face off now.
But I don't
Oh
want to.
god.
Oh, I'm sorry, buddy. But you don't have a choice.
Evan McGregor was amazing in this movie.
Shots fired!
I love this scene in the movie.
Non-lethal glitter ball. Hey, stop right there.
Honey Quinn's taking us out one by one!
Well, genius, stop taking turns and group up then.
That is how it should end it if the movie was really reality.
We heard you know where Harley Quinn lives. Tell us where she is.
No. We'll give you lots and lots of money. No.
Okay, I guess we'll just go ask someone else then.
Okay, let's go bring back Harley Quinn and that diamond-stealing kid from the funhouse. Just gonna put my phone in my pocket so no private text messages jump out in the open while we
What are
drive.
you talking about?
Yes, why shouldn't you just do that in a movie?
And we're off.
This video was great. But this is how it really should have ended, okay?
You don't think you can stand on your own, Quinn? You're not the type! You need me!
I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley
No, because I'm Batman. I got you.
Yeah, Batman.
Come on!
Let me go!
You're supposed to be
Of course, Batman always saves the day in Gotham.
Whoops.
You obviously have a lot to learn.
Son of a crap nugget.
Harley! What happened?
Batman just swooped in and took everything.
Oh, come on! Are you serious?
Well, this is Gotham City.
Yes, it is.
Bound to show up sooner or later.
I really thought this time was gonna be different. Not the usual same old song and
Hey,
dance.
Joker. Cool.
what's up?
You look different.
You look much better.
You look good.
Want to get out of here? Get into some trouble?
I don't need you! Haven't you been paying attention? I got my girls now.
Yeah.
Yeah, screw you, clown.
Whatever.
Bruh, why you disrespecting Joker?
Oh, he's so mysterious in that rebel without a cause sort of way. I just can't resist it. Put it, wait for me!
Ah.
Harley, no! Yeah, don't be stupid.
I'm sorry, girls. He just looks like what I wanted the first time. So we're back together.
Out there at the villain club.
After the way he's treated you. Yeah, I thought you would have shot him in the nuts. So did I.
Exactly.
It is true though, Harley Quinn's come back all the time.
My snookles. Besides, I was out of bullets.
Oh, look out. Out of bullets.
Wow. have a little end credit here.
Ladies have a cafe too. That's cool.
Yep.
So anyways, your friend pooped out this diamond and said it belonged to you.
Oh.
So I thought I'd bring it over because, well,
Because you're Batman?
I was gonna say because it's gross and I don't want a nasty poop. But sure, I am also Batman. I would wash that if I were
Nice.
Thanks.
you. So, your rich parents were killed, and now you channel that rage to fight crime. I know what that's like. You wanna know my secret identity?
Do you know who I am?
I'm saying to you,
Uh-oh.
I am. Okay, so cops in Gotham don't like you either. Do you want to know my
You're
secret?
barking up the wrong tree there, Batboy.
Oh, okay. So you have supersonic voice powers. I can make my voice sound different with
Oh,
technology.
Batman.
Do you want to know?
Oh.
So you struck out? What?
Nice. Wow. That was that was a lot of fun. That was really funny. Okay, guys, so I just watched how Birds of Prey should have ended, and it was true. Many of those aspects in the movie is how it was supposed to be if this was a real life problem. I loved the Batman in it, and he's like always saving the day and stuff, and they had Joker in it, and I thought that it was a lot of fun. This guy on YouTube, he has almost 10 million followers, and his name is How It Should Have Ended. You should really check out his videos if you haven't yet. He also makes a lot of else of these videos, like some Star Wars and Marvel and DC, and like a lot of movie How It Should Have Ended, and also a lot of other cool videos. So you should definitely check him out if you haven't done that yet. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a like on this video, or click the notification bell down below. And if you guys want me to react to more videos like this, please let me know down in the comments. So with that said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.